I am going to tell you guys a little bit about crystals. This is an amethyst. Amethysts are purple. Amethysts are used to alleviate fears and guilt, um, bring you to a higher spiritual consciousness. It's for happiness. It's also used for fertility, and it's also used to create calmness and relieve anxiety. Next up, we have the OG, the pink rose quartz. Rose quartz is used for love. It's healing emotional wounds, compassion, and friendship. It's for your heart chakra to create trust and harmony and unconditional love. Period. Next, we have the cleanser. This is selenite. I have a lot of selenite. This one broke. Selenite is, like I said, is used to cleanse. It can cleanse all of your other crystals when they have too much energy going on with them. If you haven't put them in the moon or something like that recently, I actually have a whole bunch of them. Yes, it can bring your cycle into harmony if you're a female, and it's also used for protection. Next up is pyrite. Pyrite is gold and really like rough looking. I really love pyrite. Pyrite is used for abundance, wealth. Ooh, I just dropped it. And some of them break really easily. That's why I have a lot of that too. Pyrite is used for protection against psychic attacks and bad energy. It can help up your leadership roles, up your confidence, and it also can clear out your lower chakras from negative energy. Hold on. Let me see which one I'm gonna do next. So I got 3 or 4 left. All right, this is labradorite. Labradorite is used for inner courage, transformation, and it's finding a deeper purpose within yourself to motivate you in life, but also in the spiritual world, because life is not the end all be all. It is used to protect your aura and to dispel depressive vibrations from your life and your aura. This is a red jasper skull. It's jasper. Jasper is used to alleviate stress and create tranquility. Ow, Lyrica. And to deepen your focus. So if you are trying to get into meditation, this is pretty good to have around. Next we have this. Ooh. Next I'm gonna do tiger's eye because I'm almost out of time. Tiger's eye is used for good luck. Lyrica, don't knock my phone down.